Hi, I'm Jessica at Electra, and today I'm going to share 5 Charlotte Tilbury products that I'm not necessarily in love with. Because I can't say I hate them. I love Charlotte Tilbury. It's my absolute favorite brand, but I'm not one of those people who's like not going to say if something's not great. Because I want you to, save your money and love everything that I suggest. So, before we get started, I know everybody says this and it's super annoying, but just real quick, like this video and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me be able to give you more good stuff. So let's get into it. Now, I love Charlotte Tilbury. Like I said, it's my favorite makeup brand, and most of what I wear is Charlotte Tilbury. Best lipsticks on the market, and I bought her stuff back when she was only available in England. So like before she launched globally and in America. So I love the products. But there are a few things that just baffle me. So the first thing is anything limited edition. I adore this shadow. It's called the Huntress, and it's like this gritty kind of greenish gold amazing eyeshadow, and I love it, but it's limited edition. So this is all I have of it. And there are similar colors, a similar-ish color right here, and this is the Starlight Luxury Palette of Pops. But unfortunately, because I love Charlotte Tilbury so much, when her stuff goes away, it goes away and then I can't have it, so I can't fall in love with it. Okay, the next thing is the Unisex Healthy Glow, and it is marketed as a hydrating tint, and it's unisex, right? So I think the initial reason for this was to market it to both men and women, because let's be honest, men need makeup too. You get a zit, you're a little tired, you have some photos you need to take, you need makeup. It comes out clear, but then it's supposed to warm up your skin. Now here's the issue I have with this. As I continue to rub this in, and you'll see that it changes color, it's hard to see, but it's actually like much darker. You're starting to see it now as it dries down. It's actually much darker than my skin. So my confusion is, A, if you're going to have a product that's darker on your face than the rest of your skin, that's not going to match. And if you're going for that look, why wouldn't you just get a darker foundation, right? I'm trying to understand the point of this product. I don't understand this product, so maybe skip it. Okay, number 3 is the Charlotte Tilbury Beach Sticks. These are gorgeous, and in theory, yeah, a stick makeup, cream makeup is amazing, and of course these are fantastic quality. This is a beautiful color called Las Salinas. You can use it, anywhere on your face. It blends in beautifully. You can build up the color, so if you want it, darker, whatever. Fantastic. But these are not the cheapest products on the market, and they're not so mind-blowingly good that you can justify getting a beach stick versus, say, something from Nude Sticks or Milk Makeup. So I'm not planning on repurchasing a Charlotte Tilbury beach stick. Okay, the 4th thing, and this just blows my mind and makes me so sad, but it's the Charlotte Tilbury lip glosses. I think her lipsticks are by far the best on the market. So then you would think that the lip glosses would also be insane. This is the Pillow Talk, like everybody loves Pillow Talk lipstick, so this is the Pillow Talk original, and it's more of like a creamy, opaque gloss. Really pretty, really pretty. And then she also has these kind of toppers. This is the Ibiza Nights, which I love, and it's just kind of a clear with some gold glitter in it. Here's the problem. A, you get so little of these. Like, this is my Hourglass lip gloss, and you get so much more product for the price, so that's an issue. But then it's just not remarkable. It's not particularly long wearing. It's not tacky, but it does kind of have a gel-ish quality that it sort of feels weird on the lips. So again, for the amount you get for the price, I typically stick with Charlotte Tilbury lipstick all the time, but different lip gloss toppers. Finally, and this one truly breaks my heart. Truly. Because my number 1 most favorite makeup product in the entire world is a concealer. So when Charlotte Tilbury says, I'm coming out with the concealer, and it's been called Spanx for your under eyes, well, sign me up, right? I ordered it in like 3 colors. The problem is, with the Magic Away liquid concealer, is the delivery system. And again, breaks my heart because this is an incredible, incredible concealer. So first of all, I don't know if you can see this, but the lid's not on. like, it's weird, and I'm like, okay, well, maybe it's because there's product in here, and I've wiped everything down with alcohol, but then even when you try to get it on, like, I'm pressing, and it's, okay, now it went on. So let's try to get it off again. I think part of it has to do with the sponge, right? So then you go in and, like, look at this. Look how much product is on here. Just, you know, it's messy. It's so messy. So if you don't get the lid all the way on, that means there's air getting in here, potentially, you know, there's bacteria, and there's really no way to clean this. So let's say you take a, you know, tissue and you try to blot it all off. Okay, that's fine, but you're wasting so much product. And you can see how much you get, but then it's really difficult to see. I don't want to waste any more. But when you click it up, you don't really know how much is in the sponge tip applicator. And by comparison, right, Charlotte Tilbury has these magic light wands. Messy too, not a huge fan of the sponge tip applicator, but there's an on-off nozzle right here, and you can see, so it's off, when the product comes out, like, you're actually able to see it on the sponge tip, and the lid goes right back on. Same thing with her retoucher, right? Like, you can see, I just click that up, there's the product. You know exactly what's coming out. And then, like, once you use up whatever you need, it's easy to wipe it off. Clicks right back in place. So this is an amazing product, incredible product. However, the delivery system makes it almost impossible to use, and it's not fun to use. Please change this, Charlotte Tilbury. I love this concealer. It just doesn't work. Alright, that's it. My least favorite Charlotte Tilbury products. Pains me to do this because I'm such a fan of Charlotte Tilbury and her entire brand and all of her makeup. But, you know, those for me are my misses. Let me know what you think. I really want to know down in the comments below. Or, of course, you can follow me at Electra on Instagram. We can chat there. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.